In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address for the contact form on your Shopify store. If you've ever needed to update where your customer inquiries go, or simply want to switch to a different email for better management, this guide has got you covered. So let's dive in and get started with these simple steps. First, we'll begin by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all aspects of your store, from orders and customers to analytics and reports. Once you're comfortably on your dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you will see a menu with several options. You'll need to click on Settings, and this is your go-to section for making various adjustments to your store's configuration. And changing your contact form email is no exception. After clicking on Settings, you will be brought to a new page filled with different sections related to your store's setup. What you need to do next is find your store's name at the top of the settings list. This is typically highlighted with a pencil icon next to it, indicating that it's an editable field. Click on this area to open the section where the basic information about your store, including your store email, is available. Once you're in the right section, you'll see a field labeled Store Email. This is the key area where you will make your changes. Enter the new email address you wish to use for your contact form in this field. Be sure to double-check that you've entered it correctly to avoid misdirected customer inquiries or lost emails. Now that you've made the change, it's crucial to save your updates. Look for the Save button, usually found in the top or bottom corner of the screen. Clicking this button will store all your recent adjustments, ensuring your new contact form email is now active and will receive all customer communications going forward. And there you have it. A few short steps to update your Shopify contact form email address. This change ensures that you stay connected with your customers in the most effective way possible. Remember, a responsive and easily accessible communication method is vital for customer satisfaction and long-term loyalty. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Shopify's Help Center offers extensive resources, or feel free to reach out for support directly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you make the most of your Shopify store. See you next time.